Hi guys, it's Clay. I'm just really bored right now, and school's tomorrow, so I have made this statue, even like a stack of cake. Goes up to the very height limit. I don't know if you saw that, so I'll do it again. If I get up there, it says height limit. The building is 128 blocks. That is from down, like, if you did it on this mountain, you'd get barely things stacked up, because there's all the blocks on the ground. Is that a well? Does that mean village, or is that just a different well? It's one of those wells. These wells are weird. Like, why are they here? Someone tell me if you know. Why are those wells there? So pretty much, this is a miniature scale. So, pretty much imagine what's gonna happen with this other one. And so I was thinking about I do that. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna go in survival on toolbox, clear my inventory, and see how many cactuses I get, okay? Shout out to all my cousins that I saw, and all the ones I didn't see, because especially Connor, Ali, Gypsy, Jasmine, Lacey, Bailey, and Lockie. Now I feel bad that if I've missed anyone, so shout out to just everybody that I know, even. Just every person that I know, and they possibly know. Just everybody. Oh, but these ones don't hurt you. Be weird. Whoa. Is that all? That's a lot. Oh no, there's another one. That's a lot of cactus. So yeah. Mini. Let me. Oh, damn it. It's not a very nice night. It's just not worth anything. So I could have stood in it. Just like mini cactuses. Fall from the sky. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end this video here, I suppose. And yeah. Goodbye. Bye guys.